Unang-una po yung implementation ng odd-even scheme. Ito po ay limited sa EDSA lamang. So sa EDSA lamang po tayo magkakaroon ng odd-even scheme. Ang bawal po sa EDSA, yung 13579 na ending plate ay bawal ng Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yung 02468 ay bawal po ng Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Sunday po, libre po gumamit ng EDSA ang lahat ng sasakyan. Ito po, again, yung sa mga roads, aside from EDSA, kung ano po yung number coding scheme sa ngayon, yun pa rin po yung mag-govern.
So during 1 month dry run of the odd-even scheme starting June 16, 2025, no violations or penalties to be issued. Vehicles owners with plate numbers prohibited on certain days will only be informed and asked to use the alternative routes by MMDA officers. Temporary odd-even scheme is only enforced along EDSA. No window hours during dry run. Regular number coding on other roads is still enforced. Hybrid and electric vehicles are exempted, and also motorcycles, taxis, and TNVS are exempted. Additionally, PUB, emergency vehicles, and authorized marked government vehicles are also exempted.